Let's make over this old dresser. My husband and I bought this at an auction. We bought a whole wall for $25 and got all kinds of neat little things. And this had weeds and vines growing through it. We brought it home and stained it, but I'm ready to give it another makeover. So I took it out on my back porch and I just started taking the handles off and pulling this apart. And this is so heavy because it's handmade. It's made out of, I do believe, like just sawmill lumber. It's very old, and I had to take all the drawers out to even move it. There are 13 drawers. I did number them. There's a tip for you if you ever do something like this. But I had to take it fully apart to get it out of the house by myself. This took me, this entire project, about 3 to 4 hours. I painted the handles black, but once I got them on the dresser, I did not like them at all. It was just too much. But I do fix this towards the end. And like Bob Ross says, there are no mistakes, just happy accidents. I primered this with some kilts, and then I put 2 coats of an off-white and antique white on this to match some other furniture in my living room. And you can see how rustic this is. In order to fix those handles, I took a gold paint pen and painted over them and made them look antique and worn, and this is the finished project. I am thinking about putting legs on this. What do you think? Either way, I'm so happy with this. It is such a unique piece of furniture.